Is live now. Just cross check. Yes, it's there. Hi all, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope you have done some practice as well. So this is what we have designed in the last session. Okay, and today we can do few more changes in that, and we can jump into another page design like products details. Okay, like as we discussed, like we should target mobile first, but while I'm explaining, of course, we targeted desktop view first. Okay, that's a bad thing because even I'm not a very good in CSS. That's why I'm following some simple techniques. But no problem. Within few days, we are going to be master in this. So now this is the header, and this is not perfectly looking in mobile. So how to solve this one? So if you see, okay, here we are getting three details. The fourth one is missing, like cart is missing, and here the search box is there, but that search icon is missing. Okay, a lot of issues are there. So simple thing. So initially, while we design, we did one good thing. So we have taken header as one div, and we have divided the first two things into one category, and the search bar we have taken another div, and remaining four things, okay, we have taken another div. So now what we have done for the parent container, we did a simple style like display flex, then all three things will come into same row automatically, right? So if you want to make it in a one column, like in mobile, it should come in mobile, our expectation is like this. So if it is this much, this should come first like this, and this one should come, and the third one should display like this. Of course, it should occupy up to some space on the mobile. So only simple technique. What we need to do right now, the row direction is like row flex direction. So just change the property flex direction to column. So then what will happen? Automatically, this div will arrange these three children in one column. So that's a simple technique. So that's why initially we have designed like that. So index.css, this is the header, right? So if you see, the flex direction is row. That means this is one children. The search box whole things is another child, and all these four things in another child div. So now the simple one, we are going to change the flex direction. So to make a flex direction column, automatically three things will display in a single column. Just refresh. Okay, so of course it is occupying only this much, but now if you see, just open in a mobile. In mobile also it is breaking. Okay, don't worry, we are very close to the good design. So first we should fix things in a desktop view, okay? No problem, because in desktop or any screen, right now we made it three things in a same column. So that is very important for mobile design, right? Those three should be in one column. Later, on desktop view, with the help of media queries, we can change that flex property. Simple. So right now it is just um, coming in the middle. So let's check, is there any property we have? flex direction align item center. That means in a vertical way, no problem. What is the property? We need to let me try. I'm not sure. Vertical item center. hmm So if I remove this align item center, okay, align items like justify content will be in a horizontal way, align items in the vertical way. Center means it's taking center. Okay, okay. Anyway, it's coming now. So now if you see, the only thing is this delivery to address should be there in the right side. So our expectation, of course, the same thing should display properly in mobile also. So now what we have done, simple thing. Previously, of course, to understanding purpose, we have given some height for that. Right now, we don't need to put some height. And align items, right now, I commented it, but once we added everything properly, if it is required, we can enable it. Right now, no need. So this is simple. So this is a header is a parent container, and these three are children. So now we have given a flex direction as column. It is there. So just go and check in the mobile. Yeah, hopefully it is working, but this search bar is taking too much width because see, when we have designed at that time, we have given some fixed width for the search bar because like uh, it should display properly in the computer screens. That's why we have added, but now we can fix that one. So we have this is the parent. We have three children right now. These three children are coming in a same column, and this first we can focus on this search bar is taking too much width. That's why we are not able to see the search icon. This search icon is there, svg icon, we are not able to see. So if you see, we have given a fixed width 200 pixels. So if you give a fixed width, it's always danger. So in a mobile screen, if you give a fixed width 200 pixel, automatically, even it is a mobile or it is a desktop, it will minimum it will take 200 pixels, so it doesn't give a opportunity to others to like visible on the screen. So what we need to do, just right now I'm just deleting this width 200 pixel. Let's see if it is breaking, we can um, check it. Okay, now it's working right without giving a width because it is occupying properly. Just inspect in the mobile device. Okay, of course still it's not coming properly. No problem, definitely we have a lot of problems. We should fix one by one. Why it is not coming search bar? Oh my god. Oh, in this also it's not coming. Okay, we can do one thing. Yeah, actually we have given flex grow 7, right? So if we give a flex grow 7, what will happen? It will occupy 7 times than other thing. So of course we have given that for sake of desktop design. So now what we need to do, we should change that flex grow. We can control the flex grow now. So total, if you see, these are the children, right? These three are the children. One is the search bar, another one is the s- text box and search icon. These three things should be in a same row, and but this should take a small space. They should take more space, and we can give a equal space to like how we have given for the search bar. So what we can do, like flex grow property is there. Okay, these three are children. First div, and this is the input. Second one, this is the third one. So what I will do you have any class for this button group? If you don't have, we can add some style here itself. Style flex grow. So I'm giving like 1% share. This is flex grow 1 but 1. and flex grow I am giving 4 times. Like the search box should be take more time, or sometimes we can say width 100% so that it will occupy how much space it is available. So CSS is a tough thing. Okay, okay, fine. I think this is not a bad, but we should check in a mobile whether it's working or not properly. Oh, this in this screen it's coming. Wow, finally, if you see, we got search bar, sorry, a drop down list. We got our input text box, we got our search icon, and these four things are coming in a same row properly, and these two things are there. Of course, even if you do some sort of hard work, you can make Amazon left side and delivery to this user details should be right side in a mobile device, and maybe we have some property called float left and float right, but right now I'm not going to touch that. This is enough. So if you see, so Pixel, Samsung, it's working, and here it also it's working. Safari Pro, it's working. Gold, it's working. Almost, it is good in all the devices. Okay. Only thing is, initially I made in a one row. Okay, consciously I have divided into three parts, so that is helpful for now. Okay, here to design this one. So let's see, but the problem is if you come with desktop view, it is breaking, right? In desktop view it should come in a same row. So what we need to do, just go and do some media queries. So let's see, CSS like W3 schools media queries technique. Of course, because still I didn't practice much in Bootstrap. That's why I'm still going with normal CSS. But please, I have suggested one good tutorial for you, right? Net Ninja for the Bootstrap. Slowly become master in Bootstrap and design everything with Bootstrap classes. So where is that media queries section? Just a minute, I can find easily. Yeah, media queries. Simple. So okay, here it's giving some example. So I will go with the same example. Okay, here if the screen size is maximum 600 pixel, is giving some different background color. This one we have already done practice, previously. So if the screen size maximum 992, it will be blue. So same thing, we'll go with that, and we can change the styles. So but it's not for a body. We will go with this one. Okay, let's see. Um, and CSS. So here I will just media query, right? So it's better to, you can add anywhere, but I'm preferring here because it's a small thing. The just add a style sheet and place your styles. So in a small screen, I think we don't have any problem. It should be flex direction is row, but what is that? This header, right? This header one, flex direction is column in few screens, and in another screens it should be row by default. So I think media screen maximum width 992. So sometimes it's in reverse order. Minimum width, maximum width will matters. So I will do one thing. It's minimum width. If minimum width is 992, because then automatically it will be a large screen. So I'm just putting the class same class header. Okay, I'm just overriding that property. What is that property? Flex direction. It should be row. Normally, we have given uh, column. Why it is showing error? Another brace. It is expecting something. 1 minute. Okay, back. Okay, sorry. This one. So we are giving a style for this class. This flex direction is row. Okay, minimum width. So hopefully it will work. Otherwise, yeah, no problem. We know CSS. We can try. So if you see, if minimum width 998 pixel, it will be this is coming in a row. Of course, this is breaking. So just please add some good styles and put some margin or padding so you will get some space for everything. Okay, I will also try. So if you just open in a small devices, still it is 1024, that's why it's coming in one row. So go with a pixel. So if you see, the width of the device is 393. So as per our media query, that if it should be column wise, right? So I hope, okay, with this minimal knowledge, because really I've shared only few techniques, because I'm also a beginner level in CSS. Always CSS is tough. Learning CSS is easy. Working on CSS is very tough. Learning JavaScript is a bit tough, but working on JavaScript is very easy. Okay, so I think this is more than enough. So if you see his in small device, it's also working, looking good. Um, here also it's fine. Only thing is this Amazon logo. This one, if possible, just make it right side, a float right. I will try with one property. If it work, okay. Otherwise, no. Minimum device. Okay, so by default, we are going with that simple one. Index.html. Where is that? What is the class for that? It's a start. This one, right? Header address. It should, in a small screen, it should go right side. Header address. So there's a property called float, but it's a dangerous property. I don't like to use this one unless until it is required. Hopefully, it will be helpful today. So first I can close this. I think no, it's not working. No change. Yes, no change. Yeah, I think with just do like utilize your knowledge of CSS. What I'm trying to say, if you see right now, these two are part of one div, right? And this Amazon should be displayed in the left side, and this address should be displayed in the right side. So in the bottom, we have distributed things equally. That's why it's working. Okay, why it's breaking in this machine now? Search bar is not coming. Something is breaking again. Uh-huh. So if I think we didn't change anything, right? Okay, previously it was there. Search bar. Not sure which what what is the thing I did. Maybe after adding this media query, it's breaking. Let me cross check. So it's stuff actually. row, same row. Okay, search bar still not coming, but in the middle it was there, right? I'm not sure which things I did. Do have we did any mistakes here? Flex row 411. This is enough. Namesake, I'm just giving flex row as one. Okay, no problem. This you can try because it's a waste of time. But the most of the times, once you get a job in the office, okay, these things are irritating. So everything is fine, but if you see, few things will work in one browser properly. The same styles, the same thing doesn't work in another browser. So we should start doing some these kind of things. So every day I'm saying, even once we start JavaScript, you should keep on doing practice the CSS. That is the most, of course, in interviews, you don't get too many questions in CSS, but after getting a job as a front-end developer, most of the time we will struck with CSS only. So give huge respect to the CSS and be master in it. Okay, fine. This is enough. I'm not going. I don't want to um, put too much. Only I will try to add some margin, kind of margin. If you give a margin, it will go outside. Let's see. I'll just add padding top 10 pixel. So we got something good. The same way, add padding bottom 10 pixel. So it's a dangerous 10 pixels. Okay, it's somewhat looking good, and just go and search this mobile view. You will get some, but I'm not sure why it's gone. That is the sweetest part of CSS. Definitely, no problem. Initially, you will irritate with this, but you will fall in love with CSS once you start doing some projects and you have enough time, because just we completed like 1 month, still we are going to travel with JavaScript and all these things. By the time we are going to work on actual project with React, so by the time definitely you can complete all the designs of Amazon. So the same styles, same concepts we are going to utilize in the original project as well. Okay, hopefully you can fix these things. Nothing more than thing. If you understand box model, flexbox, grid, and media queries and breakpoints, okay, then it's our knowledge how to handle these things. So now, okay, anyway, luckily at least it's working properly in a desktop. So now we can focus on a products page. Okay, are you ready? Just ping me yes or something. We can enter. We can design one more page now today, and tomorrow we are going to conclude basic training on this HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And from Monday, we are going to enter into JavaScript, my favorite part. After learning, definitely you will feel the same. Fine. So here, just open Amazon. Okay, this thing, at least it is matching. Okay, but padding not required 10 pixel. I think 5 pixels is more than enough. Okay, I'm refreshing that page. Looks good. Okay, at least my satisfaction. It is looking good. Now, if you see the product list, product page, suppose go with laptops or anything. So you will find this kind of thing, layout. Okay, and sometimes they will provide this kind of design. Okay, image is there, and bottom of that image they will provide, or some in few screens they will design like this. Okay, of course we should learn both the things, but at least today, um, just tell me which one do you prefer, um, this design or this design. Okay, this is option one. Okay, this is option two. So just ping me option one or two. Which one do you prefer to design today? We can try. Option one, Balardan's opinion. Quickly, everyone. Okay, one. Okay. People preferred first option, of course. We don't have too much time to wait for your opinion. So we got two opinions, like first option. So let's go with the first option. Okay, Mahendra also given. So left side we should display some image, and right side we should design. Just imagine always, um, okay, even grid is the best option, but sometimes for me at least Flexbox is very close to me because it's easy to change the things. Um, so even you can go with the grid layout also. So I will try with the Flexbox again. So you can do with the grid or so header. So we are giving some kind of rest for this header design. Now you can go with the div. So Flexbox is easy and grid is also very easy. So if you want to go with the bootstrap, so you will find many examples with the grid. So let's go with grid only because we have ready-made code for us docs grid. So we need, like, each and every product details should be in one column. We need only one column, and in that we should, for each and every row we can divide it into another two sections. So simple. So let's first of all draw the structure. So if you see, suppose this is a screen. First we should take one big container for us. This is a parent div for all the products. In this we should have row kind of thing, like for each and every product. Suppose if you're displaying three products, and inside of this also, left side image and right side some description, image and description, image and some sort of description. So with the Flexbox, what you can do, just add some like div. Instead of that, take three divs and give a flex direction column. So these three divs will come in a column wise. And again, add two divs in each of this child div. Now this div is parent for these two children. So make it display flex, then automatically these two things will come in a same row. That's the simplest technique. So no problem, we can go with both the examples quickly. So first we need a big div. Inside of that we need three children. So first I'm designing, at least we can design three products. Okay. So here give some good class names. This is like product, right? Product. Okay, I will go with the products only. Class here, product. Okay, so individual product. So give a same class so that same styles will apply for all the things. First, make sure whether it is working or not. Here you can say laptop one. These three things should be in column wise. Laptop two or mobile or something, whatever it is. So we can go with the bootstrap grid also easily. I will explain that one also. So let's see. Of course, first initially it will be not good. Okay, laptop one, laptop two, laptop three. Both three are coming in a same column. Oh, fantastic! Because of this default nature, right? Um, but if you make it display flex, automatically it will change. But right now we don't need to change it because that's a default behavior. So you should be happy with that. But if you want to make things responsive at the time, we should, if it is breaking in mobile device, definitely we should take it off. So in that product we have two sections. We have two sections, right? One is product image, like class product underscore underscore image, and class product underscore description or details, product detail. That is good. So just add same kind of things here. Product image. So just image, go and add image. I think, do you have any image? Amazon logo, India logo. Just download one mobile or laptop image. Laptop images. Uh, download. Which one do you prefer? Okay, this is looking somewhat. Projects Amazon, okay. Laptop one something. Let's go back and add source dot forward slash laptop one JPG. So now, and description. So just go and copy some sort of description. It should be a paragraph kind of thing. Yeah, but once you start adding these things, definitely it will start breaking. That's the fun part. So just add a description for that. Let's see how it is displaying. Image and description. Okay, but it should come side by side, right? So we can deal with the flex box. So same thing. Mm, okay, for to save some time, I'm just copying same thing here as well. Here as well. So search. So we got three laptops details and the paragraph. So if you see these things or block level elements, that's why both are coming in a next row, right? So simple thing, what we need to do, just change the behavior of that. So these two things are taking as a block level. Just go to a product class. So flexbox dot product simple display flex. Then what will happen? Two childrens will follow the flex and it will come have a text. Okay, but yeah, you should design properly. You should design properly. You should have some space around it, margin around it, even if you want round borders. Just give a different images when you are designing. Hmm. So let's see what's how is there. So we should have some at least some margin and sponsored, some icon, some star marks, and price details are there. So and observe carefully these all these three things in a row wise. So no problem. We have product details paragraph, and if you take a block level element, it will come in a next row. So what's the next? So I'm just giving, of course, for a namesake, I'm just taking a paragraph and the price, right? Price like 35,999 rupees. So if you want these icons, just find those icons from Bootstrap, place it. Okay, you will see that price details. And what's the next one? Discount, save extra with no cost EMI, get it by. Okay, lot of things are. So this is for one, two, and this is three. This is small text is four, five, six. Okay, six things we need to design and sponsored seven things. So hopefully seven paragraphs or seven different things. So I'm copying two, three, four, five, six, seven. So I think on top of it we have small text there, and this has six things. So start design. Just focus on first product, and then automatically um, you can you can design remaining things easily. So if first you complete this one, it will be perfect. Okay, it's taking too much. No problem. Just you can put proper image and spacing between these things and text style, all these things. So few things we can try. So if you see this is price, we need a big font, right? Big font price. So in a Bootstrap, just go with the Bootstrap because Bootstrap is providing good styles. Headings, where is that? Typography. Go to typography and heading kind of thing. So I feel H4 is enough, right? So go back and for the price, this is exactly for the price. So I'm just applying Bootstrap class. If you give a H4, then it will apply styles equal to heading 4. So just go and refresh. So you got a good price like with a proper font. And the next one is mm, like that. What is that? What can I say? It's not completely 100% transparent. So just go with 75% transparent, and this is H4. This is definitely go with the H6 or kind of thing, or you can add some other styles as well. So what's the text there? Just copy, save extra with no cost EMI. So we can add a same text there. So your choice, because you don't need to go with the paragraph. You can go with a span or thing, but end of the day you should design properly with um, the CSS class. I'm going with the H6 or H. Okay, H6 is good, and at the same time the transparency. So what is that property in the Bootstrap? So if you're familiar, that's why I'm saying if you keep on doing some projects, once you're familiar with these things, you don't need to waste your time. You should remember all the styles like opacity. You cannot transparency opacity. So good, go with opacity 75% again or 50%, whatever you feel. So just if you give that class, automatically it will apply those styles. Amazon. So 75% is also not matching. Just go with the 50%. So if you see, it's like it's kind of, I'm not sure whether it is exactly or not, but at least it's matching. But the font size here, it's compared to small, so go with H7 is not there. Heading 7. Otherwise, just go with the same paragraph only. Let me see. I think this is enough. So I think just try to reduce the width of this, because with the help of span, I think if you take spans and if you apply some styles, definitely it will work out. So keep on doing like that. Same. Where is that page? Image on. The next one is, so in the same line, few things will come with the opacity 50%, other thing will come in a proper way. So no problem. In this situation, what you need to do, how much, the first text is get it by is taking some different style, right? So go with span. So span or inline element, so it doesn't go with next line. And today here, just go with another span, the remaining text. Okay, and just place your text there and apply some different styles here. Class opacity 50%. So let's see how it is displaying. So if we get it by today's November 3rd, hopefully it's not bad. So get it by today's, no, this is in a different font style, not normal, or so just deal with free delivery by Amazon. And this also, just go with the opacity 50%. So if you see, if you're familiar with the bootstrap style, it's really, we can do it very fast actually. Free delivery with EMI. And one more thing, this one is pending. What is saying? Sponsored, some icon, you can find some beautiful icon, you can put it there. Sponsored, and add some icon also there. And of course, I think this is also taking the same kind of opacity. Save it. Refresh. Why it is gone? Free delivery by Amazon. I think I deleted that one. Save. Is there? So we just place this image properly. Mm, and if you see, this style is completely different, right? It should it Okay, this is product display page. So we should design this one also. Like this, we should have 5 sections. If you just click on that, it should display. Of course, these things in advanced level, I'm not good in those things. Definitely, we have experts in CSS. They will be joining from next 1 or 2 weeks. So what there? So here, this text is like on mouse hover. we are getting some the background color is changing, right? Sorry, text color is changing. We can do that one as well. So this font size is looking good. So this paragraph class, I'm just giving h3. Let's see. It's like heading 3 equal to heading 3. No, no, it's too much. H4 is enough, I think. Still, it is very big. H5 and or you can give a proper custom styles if you want to make it match. On mouse hover, just add mouse over effect, it will come. So here you should apply some padding kind of margin. Okay, and you can divide. This is a flex, right? You can share like flex grow ratio for the first section 1 ratio and other section 9 ratio. So here you can apply some kind of margins or something. So let me give some height for that. Okay, product image. What I'm saying, the margin 10 pixels, like 5 pixel at least from all the sides. Okay, if you see, you got something. Suppose if you give a 10 pixel, you're able to see it properly. But adjust the styles according to the situation. Okay, you got it. You got it. But make this image occupy the whole height and width. But instead of just um, giving height and width of that images, just find a proper image, because now as as a beginner we need to download the image and we should place it. But in organizations, they will provide the images properly, so that it's like it's an easy job to use those things. So here we can do what? We can do the same thing, product details, just place these three things here. Second product and that third product. Hope I have copied properly. So if you see, you got some, not exactly, definitely. And you should add some star icons, right? You just go to Bootstrap and go to icon section. Okay, you can find some icons. Star. So this star fill, okay, half fill. Okay, definitely there is some property. There is half filled or fill. So go with product. Just add a small div and add that SVG icon. Of course, that div should be flex box. You got a star mark, right? And that div should be flex, so that even if you add uh, other boxes style display flex, so don't add inline styles while you are designing. Just try to add classes and 2 3 4 5. So it is a 5 star. Right now we're just hard coding, but in the original design, okay, we can give like 4 star and 4.5, right? So bootstrap star icons. Just go back. Okay, we should give a 4.5. Okay, the last one. I think just observe carefully. There should be a small difference between those icons, adding icons. The last one, I'm just replacing with this one, half. Where is ours? Okay, 4.5. So give 3.5 like that. Okay, of course, I'm not a good designer. At least, so just give some margin top for that. And okay, no problem. Vertical scroll bar. So if you see, even if you're scrolling, this header is always be there because of one property that is we have given. Uh, s- so where is that position sticky? So if you given a position sticky, that header is not moving. So if you see even the scroll down, scroll up, it's overlapping, no problem. If you just remove that, the position sticky, maybe it will be a problem. So if you see the header is gone when scroll bar. But even if you are using scroll bar, the header always be there. So that's the importance of this. Okay, position sticky. Hope you guys understood. So lots of techniques is there, but still I'm think this becoming the master in CS is not that much easy. So every day we should learn, even after getting 5 years experience, 10 years experience. Also, we should keep on learning. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. I think we have designed this one also. So if you understand this, because so if you see, if you click on laptops, go to other page, navigate to other page, and copy the same header and display all the laptop details. And if you click on mobile phones, if you click on that, just you can make it these are hyperlinks. If you click on mobile phones, it should go to Amazon forward slash phones.html. So in that, just copy the same header and place all the mobile screens. So I think you're with HTML and CSS and Bootstrap, you can recreate Amazon designs. So get ready with the designs. Once you learn JavaScript, then and even you need to add some add to cart icon, right? Why it is not there in here? Add to cart item. So I think you just provided in the product display page. So if you want to add, if you want to provide add to cart button, the same screen you can provide it. Okay. So that's all for today. Hope you guys understood. Understood? Just give me confirmation and we can leave for the day. So please do practice. Of course, if you don't do practice, please don't ask me anything. I can't help you. Okay, thank you and see you tomorrow. We can conclude these sessions. Tomorrow I will explain few more interesting things. Then from Monday, we are going to enter into the JavaScript. Definitely you will enjoy learning JavaScript along with me. Bye bye. So we'll stop first recording.